Where's she at? Okay. Our problem says that Leah bought 1 shirt and 2 skirts. The shirt cost $12.99 and the skirts cost $10.75 each. How much did she spend? Alright, so the first thing we need to do is our cube strategy. So if it helps you to write it over here so you can mark it out as you go, do that. So I'm going to circle my numbers. Okay. Underline my question. How much did she spend? Box any important words. Okay, so she bought 1 shirt and 2 skirts. I always think this is going to be important more so than the numbers because I'm not going to really add in 1 and 2. That just tells me how many of these I need. Alright, so she bought 1 shirt, so I only need this 1 time. She bought 2 skirts, so I would need this 2 of these. Okay, and you can write yourself a little note like that. But I need 2 of those because she bought 2. And then let's see, important words. And right here, that each one costs that. So that tells me I need more than 1. How much did she spend? Okay, so that could be a clue for adding up because I want to add up my total. Now, do I need to eliminate anything? I could mark off the 1 and 2 up here because I'm not really adding them in, but it does give me a really big clue about the number of skirts, so I'm not going to eliminate it. So now I'm ready to solve. So I draw my UPSC, and we're only going to do our U today. So how much will she spend? So I will find how much Leah spent. All right, guys. See you tomorrow for the rest of it.